Dear students, today my class is Excel formulas like Excel sum, product and power, quotient, maximum, minimum, count, average formulas. Before going to these class, please subscribe my channel King Classroom for maths and computer classes. URL is youtube.com/@king_classroom. Please subscribe. Please watch the videos, subscribe the channel, like the videos, learn the subject. Now coming to the class. Excel sum, product, power, quotient, maximum, minimum, count, average formulas. Now first we have to go for Excel. Excel typing on this, or otherwise directly move to the Microsoft. Blank page, blank workbook, zoom it for your convenience. I zoom this to 283%. Now first formula, sum formula. First sum formula used to sum of numbers or sum of cell values. Suppose is equal sum formula, every formula must starts with is equal to sign. Okay, I am typing here. Every formula, function must start with is equals to. Okay, then suppose first general sum is equals to 10 plus 20. How much? Is equal to 30. Like that. Is equals to, if you take C1 value, first C3, C2 is 13, or D3 is 23. Now is equals to, we are writing C3, C2 plus D2. Now the sum is 36. 13 plus, in C2 cell how much the value? 13. D2 cell how much the value? 23. Total value is 33. Here the formula is, this is the formula bar. Okay, if you want to zoom, I am zooming, and this is the formula. This is the formula bar. Okay, Control Z. This is the formula. Now sum of the numbers. First 1, 5. I types random numbers here. Now sum here is equals to sum of every formula with sum of numbers or cell values. First I have given numbers here. Now this is, I am writing numbers here, is equals to sum of. Formula should be not a case sensitive. If you write in capitals, no problem. Write in small letters also, no problem. 23, 45, 64, 34, 51. Close the bracket. If without closing, opening bracket and must be closing bracket. Okay, otherwise it shows the error. The sum is 217. Sum of 23, 45, 64, 34, 51. The value is 217. This is the numbers sum. Now the cell values of sum is equals to sum of, if the cells have the sequence like this, A3, A4, A5, A6, like that, if you drag like this, that A3 to A11, A3, sum of A3 to A11, that means it includes A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11. Now the close the bracket, then the sum shows here. This is the sum. Sum can be randomly also. If you, this one is 12 and this place is 34, then this place is 36. Now you want sum here is equals to sum of this one, comma, you put the comma like this one, comma, this one. Now close the bracket. Then the output is 80. If you change these values, the sum automatically changes. If you change these values also, then automatically changes here. The total value will be changing. Okay, this is about sum function in Excel. Now next function, product function. Now we discuss about product. Same like the product is also another. Now clear these functions. Now I am typing here product. Same like this product also, same as it is to sum, is equals to, every function starts with is equal to, so product of 12 comma 2 3 comma 4. Now close the bracket. Total 3 products is 12 3s are 36, 36 4s are 144. Like that, if you type, if you have doubts, product with small values 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. What is the product of these four numbers? 1 into 2 equal to 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. Now the value is 24. Same like that. Here the same like sum also, product of, drag the cell values from A6 to A12, then close the bracket. Now the product is 55,296. If you change the value, then the product is increased. Okay. A random cell product also it will have. Same like that, sum product is also happening. Okay. If you want to check random cell, now is equals to product of, now this one cell C7 comma 4 goes E8 comma C9. Now the product is 68. Sum is over, now product is over. Next one is the power value. Now clear these cells, select after delete the cells, then cell values will be deleted. Now the formula is power. Power means 2 square, like that 5 square, 5 to the power of 3, that is the power value. So power has 2 numbers only, that is equals to power 5 comma 2, that means 5 square, it shows the 5 square, 25 is equals to power of 5 comma 4, 5 to the power of 4, the value will be 625. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. 5 to the power of 4, value is 625. Okay, again I am taking this randomly. This is 4, this is 6. Now 6 to the power of 4, that means is equals to power of 6 happens first in this D6. 6 value contains in D6 and power value 6 to the power of 4, that means power value contains in C4. Then close the bracket, then it will happen 6 to the power of 4, that means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 4 multiplications of 6, that is 1296, 1296. Okay, now the power is also over. Now another value is quotient. If you divide any two numbers, the quotient will be formed. Now quotient formula, quotient. Now is equals to quotient of 12 comma 4. 12 divided with 4, that means quotient value is 3, the value is 3, is equals to again quotient of 22 comma 3, the quotient value is 7. 22 means 7 times 21, remainder is 1. Forget about remainder, the quotient value. Quotient function use the quotient value. Okay. Again here I am typing randomly 34. The value is this 5. Now the is equals to quotient of quotient of this comma C7 comma, what is this H, then close the bracket, then 6 is the quotient. Quotient is also over. Next one is the max. Max value, max function formula is used to show the maximum of certain series or certain numbers. Now is equals to max of, I am increasing this value, so is equals to max of 23 comma 56 comma 124 comma 45 comma 76 67, close the bracket, then 124 is the maximum value. Okay, understood, because 23 56 124 567 is the series, 127 is the 124 is the maximum value. If you take these series numbers, what is the maximum value of this series means is equal to max of, if you drag this series D5 to D11, close the bracket, then the maximum value is this one. If you take the sum is equals to sum here, the value drag this again, the sum value is this one. Okay, this is the sum, that is the maximum value. Okay, understood? If you take random values, random sub values also, maximum is solved. Problem maximum value, it is given by max function, max formula. Now the minimum. Now coming to this minimum is equal mean. Mean is same like that. It gives the minimum value. Mean of in the series of numbers. What is the minimum value in these numbers? 7 is the minimum value. It gives the 7. If you only 5-6 members or 10 members, you easily say about the minimum value. If you take the lakhs of numbers, how will you find the minimum value? With the help of minimum function and maximum function, you will find very easily. That is the advantages of minimum values, minimum maximum functions. These are statistical functions. Power, product, max, quotient is the mathematical functions. Okay. Now, if you take the series, same number, I change this number. Now the minimum value is equals to min of same drag this total numbers, then close that, and it will give the minimum value. What is the minimum number in the cell, in the above cells is 12. The formula shows here formula bar. Okay, this is formula bar. Okay, minimum is also over. Then count. Then what is this? Count. And last one is the average. So count. Now count. Count gives the number of values number. It gives the total number of values or anything. It gives the count of the totals. Okay, how many count? It will not give the sum. It will not show the product. It gives the count only. Okay, is equals to COUNT count of. If you take this, it will give 0. Why? Because in these has no numbers. In these cells has no numbers. So it gives count A2, A7 means 0. Now I am giving the numbers here. Now I am giving here count is equals to COUNT count of series. Here I am dragging this. Otherwise D3 colon D12 directly you type the colon, means from place to place, that means. So count is 10 numbers. These numbers is 10. Okay. This is the count. Understood? Now last one is the average. Average. Average shows the average value of the values of the certain series or certain numbers. If you take average, also we can find with the sum of total numbers by count of that numbers, use the average, right? Same like that. Directly we have the formula here, average. Okay. Suppose is equals to AVE RAG average of 3, 34, 5, 6, 7, 89. Only 5 numbers I am giving. What is the average? 28.92. That shows the number average. Now you want the series average here is equals to AVE RAG average of combine these D3 to D3 colon D12, then it gives the average value 35,167. This is the average value. Average formula can be defined with the sum of the numbers by count of the numbers. Otherwise, the Excel gives directly average value. These 7 problems are very important. Sum, product, power, quotient, max, minimum, count, average. These are the important formulas in Excel. Now, have you understood this? Thank you, students. Please watch the video, learn the subject, like the videos, share the video, and try to motivate with your friends with subscription. Okay, to get the subscriptions. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.